Thousands of Colorado families were able to eat a Thanksgiving meal today thanks to SNAP benefits. Those provide Coloradans with food assistance year-round.
And now big changes could be coming to SNAP. Denver 7's Brandon Richard shares what it could mean for Colorado families that depend on that program.
More than 600,000 Coloradans participate in SNAP benefits, a critical lifeline for those struggling to afford food.
Food prices are higher. Folks are accessing nutrition programs more than ever before.
Sarah Mason with Feeding Colorado says SNAP provides a level of help food banks can't.
A current statistic is that for every meal food banks and food pantries provide, SNAP can provide 9 meals.
But SNAP could see major changes. Republicans in the House want to rein in some of the spending on SNAP, saying too much of it is wasted or lost through fraud.
Every single dollar that goes to waste, fraud, and abuse for these SNAP programs is a dollar that cannot go to feed a hungry child, and that's reprehensible.
But their plan to limit future spending increases could result in up to $30 billion being cut from the program, according to the Congressional Budget Office. The Center on Budget and Policy Priorities, a progressive think tank, says that would result in every SNAP participant seeing a benefit cut of $7 to $15 per month. Mason says cuts to SNAP would place more demand on Colorado food banks.
Any changes to SNAP show that folks will have to come and access our services as well because they're not able to potentially utilize SNAP as much as they may have been able to a few years ago.
Democrats have unveiled their own plan, which expands eligibility and calls for studying the impact of letting SNAP recipients buy hot foods, which they currently can't do. And both parties' plans would remove the lifetime ban that prevents people with felony drug convictions from signing up for SNAP. And because the current Congress has not been able to reach an agreement on the Farm Bill, which SNAP is a part of, it's going to fall to the new Congress and the incoming Trump administration to decide which of these proposals they'd like to accept. In Denver, Brandon Richard, Denver 7.
There's a new federal effort to crack down on SNAP benefit fraud. The U.S. Department of Agriculture is launching a pilot program targeting out-of-state fraud. We've told you about this before. It will automatically block transactions in states where people receiving benefits are unlikely to be shopping. The Colorado Department of Human Services says they've received more than 4,400 reports of stolen SNAP benefits statewide as of September.